This is an emergency alert issued by the Coldia and Autumnland Public Alert System. At 5:42 a.m. Universal Coordinate Time, a 9.4 magnitude earthquake occurred off the coast of Greenland. A tsunami has been generated and is expected to impact North Coldia, Autumnland, and Sergia within the next few hours. All coastal regions are now under a tsunami warning. Residents must evacuate immediately. Move to higher ground or inland areas. Waves 15 to 30 meters in height are expected to reach populated areas. Flooding, extreme currents, and widespread destruction are imminent. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Remain tuned to official emergency channels for further instructions. This is an emergency broadcast from the EAS Public Alert System. A catastrophic tsunami is now imminent. At 7:45 a.m. UTC, tsunami waves exceeding 30 meters or 98 feet were detected approaching the coasts of North Coldia, Autumnland, and Sergia. Impact is expected within minutes. Widespread destruction is certain. All residents in coastal regions must evacuate immediately. Move inland or to higher ground. Do not attempt to use roads, tunnels, or bridges near water. Do not return to affected areas until emergency authorities declare it safe. This is a life-threatening situation. Take action now. This is not a test. This is an emergency update from the EAS Public Alert System. The catastrophic tsunami has devastated large areas of North Coldia, Autumnland, and Sergia. Tens of thousands remain missing, and emergency response teams are conducting search and rescue operations. Infrastructure damage is severe. Electricity, water, and transportation services are heavily impacted. All residents should remain in safe locations. Emergency shelters are open for those displaced. Medical assistance is being coordinated for injured individuals. Remain alert for aftershocks and potential secondary waves. Follow official emergency broadcasts for further updates. This is an ongoing emergency response.